Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the latest updates for Rufus 4.14, the best tool for creating bootable USB drives. It's been a while since our last Rufus video, but this update introduces some incredible new features for Windows 11 that you need to see. Let's get started. Let's finally explore these new features. Rufus has kept the tools we already loved but added some very interesting new options. First, I'll open Google Chrome and head to the official Rufus page. We are looking at the latest stable version, 4.14. I'll also head over to the Microsoft page to download the Windows 11 ISO so I can show you exactly how these features work. Once the ISO is downloaded, I'll open Rufus as an administrator. I have to say, the creator of this incredible little program has added some characteristics that I really like, and I'm not just talking about bypassing the minimum requirements for Windows 11. Insert your USB drive. Do this before starting Rufus so it recognizes it immediately. Select the ISO. Double-click to add your Windows 11 file. Partition scheme. Set it to MBR for older PCs or GPT for recent ones. Volume label. Choose a name for your drive, for example, Windows 11 Setup. Now, click Start. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, a window pops up titled Windows User Experience with several customization options. We see the familiar ones first. Remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. Create a local account with username. Set regional options to the same values as this user's. Disable data collection. Skip privacy questions. Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. But look at the bottom of the list, this is where things get really interesting. 1. Co-L improvements. This is my favorite addition. It says, Co-L improvements, don't force Copilot, OneDrive, Outlook, fast startup, etc. This is essentially a built-in debloater. It prevents Microsoft from imposing those unwanted applications and features immediately after installation. It's a huge time saver. 2. Silently erase disk and install. Next, we see warning sign hash silently warning sign hash erase disk and install. This is a very powerful function. If checked, it will automatically wipe your drive and install the selected Windows version without further prompts. Use it with extreme caution. 3. Windows CA 2023 signed bootloaders. Then we have Use Windows CA 2023 signed bootloaders, requires a compatible target PC. This updates the security certificates on the USB. However, be careful. If your motherboard's BIOS UEFI is not updated to recognize these 2023 keys, the system might not boot after installation. Make sure your firmware is up to date. 4. Apply SKUSI policy.p7b. Finally, apply SKUSI policy.p7b on installation, CKB 5042562. This option allows you to apply specific security policies during installation. Again, only use this if your hardware and installation needs are fully compatible. Conclusion. In my opinion, the top choices are the hardware requirement bypasses, the local account, and that fantastic Co-L improvements option to get rid of the junk apps. Once you click OK, remember that all data on your USB stick will be deleted. Move your files first. I'm just showing you the features today, so I won't run the full process. Let me know in the comments what you think of these new Rufus features. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial. That's all for today. Bye guys.